Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another GeoFS fun flight. Friends, I'm going to take you on a quick little flight around some place that I'm hoping you can guess where it is. At the same time, I'm going to play songs from the Audio Hero Library, which is a TubeBuddy perk. If you have not tried TubeBuddy, there is a link in the description. You can try it for free. So, my friends, let's get flying. Alrighty, friends, so I feel like I've given you a little bit better tips this time where I'm flying. Hopefully you can use those clues, figure it out, and add it in the comments below. Once again, friends, if you are enjoying the tunes, remember they are from Audio Hero. You can get your own subscription, or if you subscribe to TubeBuddy, they are part of your TubeBuddy subscription. If you just use the free version, they're not part of the free version, but friends, if you haven't tried the free version, it is in a link in the description, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I have. Friends, I hope you had a little bit of fun with this GeoFS fun flight. If you know where the location is, make sure you add a comment in the description. If you have a cool memory about this location, you can share that as well. Of course, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.